students of 11th Commerce, I am Prabha. In my previous video of part 3 of Nature and Purpose of Business, I had explained about multiple objectives of business, role of profit in business, is profit the sole objective of business, and function of business. In this video, Part 4 of Nature and Purpose of Business, I am going to explain about classification of business activities, types of goods produced by industry, types of industrial activities, primary industry and its types, secondary industry and its types, types of manufacturing industry, and tertiary industry. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is classification of business activities. Students, business activities are broadly classified into two categories. The first is industry and the second is commerce. Industry, those economic activities which are connected with conversion of resources into useful goods are considered as industry. The term industry is also used to mean group of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, electronic industry would include all firms producing electronic goods. The next is commerce. Commerce is a term which consists of all those activities which are necessary for sale, transfer, or exchange of goods and services. It provides the necessary link between producers and consumers to ensure proper distribution of goods. The next is types of goods produced by industry. Students, industry produced especially two types of goods. The first is consumer goods and the second is producer good. Consumer goods, those goods which are produced for direct consumption by the consumer are called consumer's good. For example, shoes, clothes, TV set, etc. Producer's goods, those goods which are used in production of other goods are called producer's goods. For example, steel, machinery, factory, building, etc. The next topic is types of industrial activities. Industrial activities lead to production of variety of goods for various purposes. These are divided into three broad categories. The first is primary industry, second is secondary industry, and the third is tertiary industry. Now, primary industry and its types. Primary industry. Primary industry includes all those economic activities which are concerned with extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants, etc. Types of primary industry. There are mainly two types of primary industry. The first is extractive industry and the second is genetic industry. Extractive industry. Extractive industry includes all those industries which are engaged in extracting product from natural resources such as soil, air, water, or beneath the surface of the earth. The goods which extracted in this industry are used in secondary industry as a raw material. Economic activities such as farming, mining, lumbering, hunting and fishing are included in extracted industry. Next is genetic industry. Genetic means parentage or heredity. Genetic industry includes all those industries which are involved in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction. For example, plant breeding, nursery, rearing of cattle for milk, poultry farming, cattle breeding, fish, hatchery, etc. Now, secondary industry and its types. Secondary industry. Secondary industry is concerned with those economic activities which involve in processing material that have been produced by primary industry. These industry process such material to produce goods for final consumption or for further processing by other industrial units. For example, sugar cane is produced in primary industry, but sugar is produced in the secondary industry. For example, sugar mill, in which sugar cane is used as raw material. Production of sugar cane is related to primary industry and sugar is related to secondary industry. Other example, iron ore is extracted at the primary industry and is processed to manufacture iron and steel at the secondary industry. Next is types of secondary industry. Secondary industry can be classified into two categories. First is manufacturing industry and the second is construction industry. Manufacturing industry. All those industries which are engaged in processing of raw material into finished goods by changing the form of raw material is called manufacturing industry. Since manufacturing industry transforms raw material into finished goods, it creates form utility. Students, what is form utility? The value seen by a consumer in finished product is called form utility. Examples of manufacturing industries: steel, cement, cotton, textile, etc. Now, construction industry. Those industries which are engaged in the construction work like construction of building, dams, roads, bridge, etc. is called construction industries. These industries uses material produced by manufacturing industry like cement, iron, steel, marble and creates immovable assets. The next topic is types of manufacturing industry. There are four types of manufacturing industries. The first is analytical industry, the second is synthetical industry, third is processing industry, and the fourth type of manufacturing industry is assembling industry. Now, analytical industry. Analytical industry includes those activities which are engaged in analyzing and separating basic raw material into a number of products. For example, crude oil or petroleum refining, which is processed into many finished products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, lubricants, etc. Next is synthetical industry. In synthetical industry, two or more than two materials are mixed or combined together in manufacturing process to make the final product or a new product. For example, cement, fertilizers, cosmetics, etc. Next is processing industry. In processing industry, raw materials are processed through various stages to become a final product. For example, sugar industry, paper industry, textile industries, etc. And the fourth type of manufacturing industry is assembling industry. In assembling industry, different components are assembled to make a new product. For example, TV industry, automobile industries, etc. The third types of industrial activities is tertiary industry. Tertiary industry are also called service sector. All those activities which provide support to primary and secondary industries as well as to trade are included in tertiary industry. For example, transportation, warehousing, banking, insurance, etc. Various activities which fall in the category of tertiary industries are included in commerce. And students, now I hope you will understand about classification of business activities, types of goods produced by industry, types of industrial activities, primary industry and its types, secondary industry and its types, types of manufacturing industry and tertiary industry. Remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.